Welcome to this new lecture of Natural Language Processing with Python. Today lecture we will learn stemming with RegexStemmer and Porter-Stemmer algorithms. In many languages, the base forms of words change when they are used in sentences. For example, the word produce can be written as production or produced or even producing, depending on the context. The process of converting a word back into its base form is known as stemming. It is essential to do this because without it, algorithms would create two or more different forms of the same words as different entities despite them having the same semantic meaning. So the words producing and produced would be treated as different entities which can lead to erroneous inferences. In Python, regular expression stemmer and Porter stemmer are the most widely used stemmers. Let's explore them one at a time. First, we see regular expression stemmer. RegexStemmer uses regular expression to check whether morphological or structural prefixes or suffixes are present. For instance, in many cases, verbs in the present continuous tenses, the present tense from ending with ing, it's mean ing, can be restored to their base form simply by removing ing from the end of the word. For example, playing becomes play. Now we will do an Now we do an exercise and understand why we convert the words in the present continuous tense into base words with the regular expression stemmer. In this exercise, we will use regular expression stemmer on text to convert words into their base form by removing some generic suffixes such as ing and ed. To use NLTK's rex underscore stemmer algorithm or class, we have to create an object of regexstemmer by passing the regular expression of the suffix or prefix and an integer minimum, which indicates the minimum length of the stemming string. So, we see the steps of this exercise. Now we insert the class regexstemmer algorithm from NLTK library and its package of stem package of NLTK, and we import regexstemmer algorithm class from NLTK.stem package. Okay. Now we use rex underscore stemmer object to stem each word of the sentence variable. Now we define a function get underscore stems and pass text and pass our text which we want to stemming into its which we are to stemming of its words as parameter. Now this line creating an object of this class regexstemmer any string and then pass any string ending with the given rex will be removed. So first parameter is ing $sign actually every word represent the every word which ending with ing and minimum length is 4. Okay, we create object of this class and passing required parameters. Then below line we'll convert every word into its stem using reg, reg regular expression stemmer and then join them with white spaces. This white space return the uh, joining to tell me a list of joining the stemming word by using regex underscore stemmer. This is of this is of first our text will be splitted into words or tokens, and then each token passed to the this stem method for stemming, and then join each stemming word by white spaces. For example, first we run these cells. Okay. Now we check. Now we test our user defined function get underscore stems. Okay. We take a variable sentence and store a sentence I love playing football in this variable, and then call the function get underscore stem and pass this sentence, and then if when we run the cell we have a we have this output where only one word is a continuous tense word, which is playing mean ending with ing. So our function will re- remove the word remove the word play from ing. Next, another algorithm, Porter stemmer. The Porter stemmer is the most common stemmer for dealing with English words. It removes various morphological and inflectional endings, such as suffixes, prefixes, and the plurals s from English words. In doing so, it helps us extract the base form of a word from its variations. Okay. Now we do another exercise for the understanding of work of Porter-Stemmer algorithm. In this exercise, we will apply the Porter-Stemmer to some text. Follow these steps to complete this exercise. The first steps one, we import from the package nltk.stem.porter everything. It means this package of functions, classes, everything from Porter. We import our cell. Star means everything imported from the Porter algorithm or Porter class. Okay, we run this out. That's great. Next, we make also another variable sentence, and in this sentence we store a sentence. We store a sentence before eating. It would be nice to sanitize your hands with sanitizer. Now we will make use of the Porter stemmer to stem each word of the sentence variable. Now we define a function get underscore stems and pass text, and then create an object of the class Porter stemmer, and then stemming the and first we split the text, and then we stem the words of sorry stem the tokens, all the tokens, then we stem all the tokens into their root form with the help of ps underscore stemmers means Porter stemmer algorithm, and then join by using spaces. Okay, and then call the function get underscore stems and pass our above sentence in this function or this function as a parameter, and we see the result. So this is interesting. It's mean it convert the letter capital letter B into lower letter b. Okay, next we check. Okay, sanit. Yeah, in the above sentence, original sense it is sanitize, but now it converted into its root form sanit. And similarly, sanitizer converted into sanit. So this is the uh, whole concept or the method of stemming with the help of regular expression stemmer and Porter stemmer algorithms. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture of the course Natural Language Processing with Python.